Hey everybody, it's Andrew Kaiser with andrewkaiser.com. Today we're going to be looking into WordPress on how to create a post. Now, one of the first things you're going to do is when you come to your admin dashboard, on the left hand side you'll notice a big post menu. Now you can expand this and you have different options right here. You can go to all, you can view all your posts, you can add a new one, you can look at the categories, or you can look at the tags. Now we'll start going through like the all post page. Okay, so here you see a list of my posts that I've made on my website, and these are all listed inside different categories, and you can see I haven't done any SEO on any of them, so that's probably why my traffic is low. Anyways, so when you hover over this, you get these little options pop up. You can edit, quick edit, trash, or view. Now, viewing will take you to the post. Simple enough. And then, trash will, delete it, basically. It'll put it in the trash. It won't actually delete it. Now, quick edit is pretty cool because this, you can come in here and you can just edit the title real quick. You can edit the slug, the date, the author. You can password protect it. You can allow or disallow comments, make it a sticky, change the categories pretty quickly, and then you just update or cancel. Now, if you needed to change like 10 categories, you can select different posts, and then you come up here and you click edit and apply. Now all of a sudden you have these, and you can edit your categories, your post tags, whatnot. You can set them all in like one simple little thing. So keep that in mind. Now, over here you have your display options. That is two different things. Okay, so one has the post content and the other doesn't. Okay, and then up here you got your page navigation, and all the way down here at the bottom you got another one. So you can just go ahead and go around there. Now if you have like drafts or anything, like if we did a quick edit on this and set it as a draft, we'll update that real quick. Now we go back to all 26, and now you'll see the publish and drafts. So this is a good way to keep updated on the posts that aren't finished yet. So we're gonna go ahead and publish that back because I want that on my website because it's the first video right now. Okay, so now you can click add new up here or add new right here. Doesn't matter, all takes you to the same place. Now I'm going to be creating a post for let's see, how to exclude specific tags from the tag cloud. So I'm going to go ahead, this isn't always necessary. So let's say, how do I share this thing? Nope. Share. Embed. Okay, so I'm going to grab this it's going to be 604. We're going to copy this. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it right here. Now this is how to exclude specific tags from Tag Cloud. Titling your thing is very specific or very simple, and on most pages that'll be right there. I just had mine down there for some reason. Actually, you know what? I didn't know you could drag and drop this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that back there. Okay, so you guys really don't need to see me doing this stuff. I just want it. I just want it right there. Move it, WordPress. Thank you. Okay, so you type out your content. You can change things. Here you have a visual editor, which is like a what you see is what you get editor, and you can expand this however big you want, or you can click this little button right here and it'll take you to a full screen editor, which is pretty cool. It doesn't use the same CSS as your website though, so things will probably look different, which is why I stick to the HTML editor. Obviously that's not the best case for everybody. Okay, so now that we have some content in our post, a title, we have generated a permalink, we can come down here and we'll do a tutorial. Well, we select the category that we want it to post it in, and since this is a WordPress tutorial, I think, yep, okay, let's actually put that in WordPress. Okay. Now, if we want to save it as a draft and come back and edit it later, we can save as a draft. And post draft updated, preview post. Now we can see that it's just going along. It's pretty okay. And if we want to make changes, let's say this video is awesome. Now before you save that and publish it, you can click preview right there and it'll take you to the post without publishing it and let you preview your changes. I don't want that there because the video is not awesome. And okay, so now that we have everything we want, we got our categories selected, we've got, we can add some tags to it. Let's say WordPress and tag cloud, ironically enough. And yeah, okay, so we've got that set. So now we're gonna go ahead and click publish. Now we're gonna go back to my home page. How to exclude specific tags from the tag cloud in WordPress. Now this is gonna show up on your recent posts page. Mine so happens to be the front page, but that is how you work with your posts. Okay, so now in the categories, we're going to come down here and you can see all these different categories I've made. You can create new ones very easily. You can select parents, and you can nest them as deep as you want. So if you want to have an HTML tutorials, then get specific about HTML4 and XHTML1 and HTML5. You can nest as deep as you want. Let's say let's see. We'll go underneath WordPress tutorials. We'll call it WordPress hacks. And usually you can leave the slug blank because it'll automatically generate one. But now you can see WordPress hacks is nested underneath WordPress tutorials. And if we wanted to create one under that, and be like, whoa. You can see it just keeps getting nested and nested and nested. So, and then if you want, you can hover over these. You can do the quick edit things, all the same. We're going to delete that, and then we're going to delete this, and you can see they just pop away. And okay, so now we'll go over here to post tags. Now you can see that we have the name and how many posts they're included in. Now Android, barefoot water skiing, these are all tags that I seem to have had before I switched over to my website. And WordPress one, we just made this post. Apparently I don't use tags, so I'll have to start doing that. And that should do it as far as posts go. If you guys have any other questions, hit me up, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. AndrewKaiser.com. Peace out.